Hello friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh. Welcome back my channel. In this video, I present to you garden decoration idea. Maximize this space with hanging basket plants. One of the primary advantages of using basket planters is their ability to maximize the space in your garden. If you have limited space, hanging baskets are a practical solution by suspending your plants from hooks or brackets. You can utilize vertical space, allowing you to grow a wide variety of plants without cluttering the ground. Hanging basket plants offer unparalleled versatility and flexibility in gardening with a vast array of plant options available. You can easily experiment and diversity your garden. Mix and match different plants in a single basket or create captivating use trees. Grow a vegetable garden. They can work as any other traditional plant holder. Simply fill the center of the tree with nutrient rich soil and place seeds of the diverse vegetable plants for a beautiful lush garden.